In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Revolut login issues. If you're stuck on the login screen or getting error messages, don't worry, these simple checks usually get you back in fast. Start by confirming you're entering the correct phone number. Make sure you've selected the right country code and that there are no extra spaces or missing digits. If you recently changed numbers or SIM cards, double check that the one you're entering is the one linked to your account. While you're at it, ensure your internet connection is stable. Try loading a web page or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A quick toggle of airplane mode or a router restart can refresh your connection and resolve temporary glitches. Next, make sure your app is fully up to date. Open the App Store or Google Play, search for the Revolut app and install any available updates. Updates often include important fixes for login and security features, so this one step alone can solve a lot of issues. If the problem continues, try clearing the app's cache or data from your phone settings, then restart your device. On many phones, you'll find this under Settings, Apps, Revolut Storage, then Clear Cache or Clear Data. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that can cause errors. Clearing data resets the app's stored settings, which means you'll likely need to sign in again, but it won't affect your money or your account with the provider. After clearing it, fully restart your phone to refresh the system. It's also a good idea to check the Revolut status page. If there's a widespread outage or maintenance underway, you might not be able to log in until it's resolved. In that case, waiting and trying again later is the best move. If you still can't get in, tap Forgot Passcode on the login screen and follow the prompts to reset it. You'll typically be asked to verify your identity, so make sure you can receive verification codes on your registered number or email. Choose a passcode you'll remember and keep it secure. As a final option, uninstall and reinstall the app. This gives you a clean install and can fix deeper app glitches. Delete the app, restart your device, then download the latest version from your app store and try logging in again. And that's it. Work through these steps from basic checks to a clean reinstall, and you should be back into your account in no time.